everybody. Hello, everybody. It's me once again on the road. Check this out. We got this Redneck air conditioner we made. Trust me, guys, it's a total fail. You should get a bigger fan in there. Pull some lots of don't work. Good time for DIY. Anyway, we got Aunt Edna laying in the back seat right there. See Aunt Edna's blowing in the wind. She's our new traveling buddy. Let's go on our adventures. So where are we going today, honey? Anywhere exciting?
Golden Corral.
Golden Corral. We're gonna get some good food. Hopefully we don't get any diarrhea on the way. We thought, because the air conditioner broke in the damn car, we figured, well, we're going to try something new, some kind of new idea. Well, so much for that idea. I might as well spend the 28 bucks on the part I need to fix it. Grand Marquis, they fall. The only thing that falls apart on them is the damn air conditioning line, the damn exhaust. It only has 148,000 miles on it. These things last forever. It's still made out of metal, unlike the cars of today. The front-wheel drive cars are nothing but pieces of plastic. They're junk, pretty much. Same thing as Chevrolet, they do the same thing, just plastic junk. So if you happen to see a Grand Marquis, buy it. What's this guy doing? I'll see you guys later.